Modern volt mixer powder mixer with internal rotating shaft with pedals for mixing dry powder material in the pharmaceutical, food, chemical and other industries. Usable volume is 300 liters. Efficient mixing of powders without stagnant zones. Made of stainless steel according to GEMPI requirements. Due to the unique design, uniform mixing occurs. The mixing tank is made of stainless steel with polished inner and outer walls. It is made according to the GEMPI. We provide detailed instructions for setting up the powder mixer. Prior to shipment to the customer, the mixer is inspected and tested at the factory. Complete set and working order is guaranteed. Experienced specialists Minipress company will help you choose the right model of equipment. Our catalog Minipress.ru, one of the most authoritative in the pharmaceutical industry. Daily consultant answers questions in WhatsApp.
We're proud to offer professional advice on choosing any pharmaceutical equipment. Our exhaustive catalog comprises equipment produced by Chinese, Indian, Korean, and Thai manufacturers. We are ready to seek for you used pharmaceutical equipment made by Russian and European manufacturers.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.